Guys, you might have seen people doing DP battle on Instagram. If you don't know what DP battle is, on Instagram stories, you might have seen people posting two images on one single story, and there will also be an polling option where you can select either A or B. So this is known as DP battle. And guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create these kind of stories on your Instagram account. And guys, if you're new to my channel, I'm Vasu and you're watching Techno YouTube channel. Okay guys, now without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. Okay guys, now the first thing we should do is collage any two images to create one single photo. Now to edit the photo, you will have to download any photo editing app from the Play Store. Guys, you can either use PicSart or InShot app. I'll use InShot app because it's actually very easy to edit. Guys, if you don't have this application, then go on to the Play Store and type InShot and download the app. Okay guys, now if you open the application, you will get an interface just like this. Now you can see that there's an option called collage. So click on this option. Now select any two images from your gallery and click on the tick mark. Guys, you can edit these photos however you want, and you can crop and also place the images according to your needs. Once after editing, click on the save button to save the image to your gallery. Okay guys, now the next step is to upload this photo. Now go on to your Instagram account and click on the story option. Now select the image which you just saved to your gallery and click on the emoji option which is present at the top of the screen. Now to create a poll, click on the poll option. Okay guys, now you can ask a question or tell something. I'm gonna ask who is better. Who is better? Now I'm gonna name this as A and B. And I'm gonna click on the done option. Okay guys, now you can also drag and place this wherever you want on the screen, and you can also reduce the size. Now click on send to. Now if you click on share, your stories will be public. So I'll click on share. Okay guys, now to check your story, just click on the story option. So guys, you can see that someone chose the B option. So it's showing B as 100%. Okay guys, now to check the stats, just click on the poll option. If someone votes for A, then it will be displayed here, and if someone votes for B, then it will be displayed here. So these are the voters, and down below you can see how many people have viewed your stories. The total number of people who just saw your stories will be displayed at the top right here. Okay guys, now if you have any doubts regarding this topic, then leave a comment down below in the comment section. Okay guys, I hope this video has helped you. If so, then please do drop a like on this video. And guys, on this channel I make all YouTube growth related videos and Instagram related videos. So if you're a YouTuber and Instagrammer, then consider subscribing. If you're a subscriber, I'll meet you on the next video. Until then, peace.